Hello friends, hearty welcome. The Bachelor of Science in Food Technology and Management is a full-time 3 years degree course. The course present in CNCVCW is affiliated to Shivaji University Kolhapur. The objectives of the course are to increase the employability of women in the food processing sector of the Indian economy, to expose the students to the basic essentials of the food technology and management so that they become capable of independently handling food processing units, to make students understand the nutrition side and scientific views regarding dietary habits of population, to enable the students to keep themselves abreast of recent changes in food technology and management, to gain the knowledge related to management and marketing perspectives of the food processing industry, to create necessary awareness regarding the laws affecting food processing and preservation. Now let's have a look at admission details. The candidates who have passed 12th in any science stream can pursue a course in BSc. Total intake capacity of the BSc Food Technology and Management course is 60. The duration of the course is for 3 years divided into 2 semesters per year. The facilities such as food processing laboratory, food analysis laboratory and nicely furnished classrooms with ICT facilities are available in the department. The co-curricular activities such as Industry Institute interaction, organization of national conferences, national poster presentation competition, organization of exhibitions, workshop, guest lecture and study tour etc. are conducted on a regular basis apart from a compulsory credit-based evaluation for all students. Now let's have a look at the major strength of the department is the quality of the faculty. Also, the department has developed Alumni Association as well as Parent Teacher Association respectively. These are some examples of the job opportunities available after completion of the course. After completion of this course, the girl or woman will become food technologist, sensory analyst, food chemist, food microbiologist, quality assurance manager, food quality control manager, food regulatory affairs specialist and health and nutrition specialist etc. But it totally depends on the ability and strength of the students. The admission to BSc in Food Technology and Management is purely based on merit based 12 standard marks and written examination or interview. Final selection will be based on 50% of 12th mark and 50% of entrance or interview. During the admission process, government rules of the reservation will be strictly followed. These are some documents required during the admission process. For more details, you may contact College of Non-Conventional Vocational Courses for Women of Cyber, Shivaji University Kolhapur. This is the telephone number and these are the emails. If you are watching first time Bhagya Media One channel, then make sure to press subscribe button. Also, if you want to ask any questions related to this course, you can ask the same through the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.